Trying to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on winds. She fight a flight, nigga in this cat. She fight a flight, man, no way out of here. She fight a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me as ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag out a bitch, I'm a baggin'. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parker 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas that look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100, this off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out of Benlo's been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no footy, no matter where I'm in. I have touch of action, I'm basic Korean. You fucking me good, bitch.
What the fuck I'm gonna say in the intro? You want me to say something so bad?
Stop playing with them, Ryan.
Can you please?
Think you the shit, bitch? You not even the fault. I be going hard. I'm breaking their hearts. Like, bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Bitches be thick, but I'm thicker. She could be rich, but I'm richer.
Damn.
I'm looking that way. Going through nothing wrong. Now I'm lying. You survived. I waited all last night. You said you got too high. I'm tired.
in the sky, nigga can't even see me on wind. She fought a flight, nigga in the sky. She fought a flight, man, on way out of here. For the flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sword. Pro hard accessory, do whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking it to the look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada, bro. Get this money like it's my religion. This could be a man, they a stand in vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100 just off the gig. They came out the drunk, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out of bellows, been put on the crib. Well, look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no footy, no matter what I'm in. I don't touch an edge, no face you Korean. You fuck with me good, bitch.
What the fuck I'm gonna say in the intro? You want me to say something so bad?
Stop playing with them, Ryan.
Can you please?
Think you the shit, bitch? You not even the fault. I be going hard. I'm breaking their hearts. Like, bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Bitches be thick, but I'm thicker. She could be rich, but I'm richer.
Damn.
Murder show. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I gotta protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
man, he don't give a damn. At the club, reload the club, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a cold, I copped, RP a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham.